Hello everyone and welcome to my channel OptionsTraderToday. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of crude has moved in the last 2 days and how the price of crude can move in the next 2 days. See, if you look at the chart of crude, what we have seen, crude now trading at a level of $68.25. Okay, and if you look at this particular trend, there is a zone breakout is happening. Okay, so chances can be high that if the price keeps sustaining above this level, it can cross a level of around $68.59, and once the price started going above this particular level, there will be a zone breakout, so chances of moving further upside will be there. Okay, as soon as the price started going above this level, a higher chances that it can cross a level of around $70, and then from there a further upside we can see towards 71.45. okay, and then a further high we can see towards, because this pattern will support an upside. But if the price didn't sustain or started falling below a level of 67.23, a further fall we can see towards $65.23, and once started going below that level, a further downfall we can see, so chances are high it will go further low. Okay, any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail IDs also in the description, or you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. Okay, and join the Telegram link I've given in the description for updates. Looking at this particular chart, I have clearly explained that if the price started falling below a level of 66, we can see a further downfall. But if the price keeps sustaining above a level of 71, okay, we can see a further upside, because this trend will form and there will be a zone breakout, so further upside we can see. And once started moving above 71.4, so chances are high that we can see a further upside. Okay, if you look at the movement of crude, there is 2-3 points that you have to understand. There is a continuous rise was there. It has not reached a level fall time high, that is around 129. After this particular war, at this particular war, we have seen a war situation between Russia and Ukraine. That is where the price was continuously moving down. As soon as the situation turned good, we can see once started going above a level of around 87, there is a higher chance that it can cross 97 also, and from there a probability of touching above 100. Okay, so now if you look at this trend, so if see, dollar index plays an important role. So let's see the chart of dollar index, how the price of dollar index is moving. If you look at the dollar index, now it is trying to go higher. After making a low of around $103.1, we have seen that the price started forming a swing and trying to go higher. So probabilities are, suppose if the price sustain above this level, it can go towards a level of 104.5, and once started going above this level, a probability of touching a level of 105.1 to a level of 105.4. okay, and once started moving over this level, we can see a resistance coming, strong resistance at 106.1, and from there a level of 106.5. This is the levels we have seen, and if that sustain, a further upside we can see. But if the price started falling again below a level of 103.9, a further downfall we can see towards 103.4, and from there it will move below 103.1, because this trend will support a downside, so chances are high that it will fall below a level of $101.8, and from there a level of 101, and then a further fall we can see towards $100.5. okay, 100.5, and then a further downfall we can see. Okay, so you have to understand. Now coming back, so understand sometime what happened, they are inversely related. Okay, dollar index and crude, but sometimes the both moves in same direction. Okay, so always try to put your SL whenever you start to trade. That will save your capital, and once you in profit, try to trail the SL, so profit will be saved. Okay, as per the volatility. Now coming back again on the crude price, what we can see, if you look at the crude price, the price now trading at a level of $68.25. okay, and chances are high, suppose if the price sustain above this level, it will move out of this particular zone, and we can see the price can touch a level of around $68.8. okay, and once the price started going above this level, probability is high it will go further upside towards a level of 69.35. okay, and if that sustain, a further upside we can see towards a level of 70.61. After crossing a level of $69.61, it can cross a level of 70.5. okay, and once started sustaining above 70.5, we can see it will go towards 71.4. okay, after this level, this is also a weak resistance, so chances are high this will also cross particular level, and from there it will touch a level of 72.4. Suppose if the price sustaining above 72.4, chances of touching a level of 72.88 is there. Okay, and once the price moving above that particular level, we will see a level of $73.21, and from there a further upside towards 73.62. Okay, and once the price moving above 73.62, probability of touching a level of 75 we can see, and from there a level of 75.30. Okay, and if the price moving above a level of 75.30, a further upside movement we can see towards a level of 76.8, and then it will cross a level of 78, and then high we can see. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me, or given the mail ID is also in the description. But now, as I have already explained you, market is uncertain. So suppose if the price didn't sustain, it can touch a level of 67.8. Okay, so a bounce back we can see. But if the price started falling below this level, it can touch a level of 67.3. If the price moving below that particular level, chance of touching $66.2 is there, and from there a further fall we can see towards 65.28. There is a zone breakout will happen at this level, so chances are high it will move further low, and yes, after that we can see the price will fall below a level of 65. So we can see it can touch a level of $64.4, and if that didn't sustain, a further fall we can see towards a level of 63.5. Okay, and once the price started going below this level 63.5, it will move below a level of 61.8. that is already being tested, so chances are high the price will fall further low, and then a probability of moving further low will be there. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me, or given the mail ID is also in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel,